Welcome back to another new video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. The Galaxy S23 Plus, Samsung's latest flagship offering. This phone promises exceptional performance and features that'll make your daily smartphone experience truly delightful. Stick around as we explore its strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's worth your hard-earned bucks. Let's kick things off by talking about the Galaxy S23 Plus performance. This phone boasts one of the most polished experiences, making it a reliable companion for day-to-day usage. If you seek a smooth and seamless smartphone journey, the S23 Plus is definitely up to the task. The only drawback is the price, but worry not. Just like its predecessors, Samsung's S-series often goes on sale, allowing you to grab it at a real steal. 5 months post-release, the S23 Plus still stands as a top-tier phone, although some argue its specs and 1080p display might not entirely justify its premium price. Now, let's talk about the display. The S23 Plus comes with a 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, which may not sound extraordinary on paper. However, in person, it shines brightly, reaching up to 1750 nits, making outdoor visibility a breeze. The auto brightness feature works like a charm, providing accurate brightness levels throughout the day. You'll enjoy a sense of realism, vibrant colors, and sharpness, even though it may not match the S23 Ultra's level. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, and Samsung's scrolling experience outperforms what you'd find on a Pixel or iPhone. With generous screen real estate and the hole-punch camera, this phone offers a visually appealing package. Moving on to design and build quality. While the S23 Plus doesn't see drastic changes from its predecessor, it still looks and feels premium. The back camera takes inspiration from the S23 Ultra, giving it an overall cleaner and sleeker look. With aluminum sides and a frosted back, the device exudes a prestige feel, and the Gorilla Glass Victus protection ensures durability. 5 months of usage, and no notable scratches on the front or back speak to Samsung's reputation for using sturdy materials. The phone feels comfortable and light, even for users with bigger hands. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse within, the battery. The Galaxy S23 Plus comes with a 4700 mAh battery, providing commendable performance. Even with my reduced phone usage during summer, I still easily end the day with over 40% battery life. It's essential to note that I have 5G, always on display, and auto brightness enabled. The phone also supports 45W fast charging, and charging speeds are impressive, taking it from 0 to 100 in under an hour. I've become so comfortable with its battery life that I hardly stress about charging it overnight. If you're an average user, this phone's battery should comfortably last you through the day. Now, let's dive into the brains behind this device, the processor. The Galaxy S23 Plus is powered by the latest Snapdragon Gen 2 chip, offering both power and efficiency. With custom-made components, Samsung tackles the overheating issues faced by previous models, delivering a consistently smooth performance. Coupled with vapor chamber cooling, your device will stay cool, even during intensive tasks like gaming or heavy multitasking. This means users worldwide, be it in India, Australia, or the UK, get the same powerful experience. Alright, Shutterbigs. It's time to talk about the Galaxy S23 Plus camera capabilities. Sporting a 50 megapixels main camera, a 10 megapixels telephoto lens, and a 12MP selfie shooter, this phone has some tricks up its sleeve. The zoom modes provide crisp images, although the quality does drop a bit in ultra-wide shots. While there's been improvement in capturing moving subjects, there's still room for more refinements. As for selfies, Samsung has upped their game, capturing sharper and more detailed images. Outdoors, the S23 Plus does a great job, capturing nature's beauty with precision. And when it comes to video, this phone shines. From 1080p to 8K, you have options galore. The video stabilization is impressive, keeping your shot steady, even in motion. In conclusion, the Galaxy S23 Plus proves to be an excellent flagship phone, offering a polished user experience, vibrant display, long-lasting battery, and commendable camera capabilities. While its price might seem steep, keep an eye out for sales to snag it at a better value. Samsung has truly crafted a premium device that's a joy to use in your day-to-day life. If you're ready to invest in a top-tier smartphone, the Galaxy S23 Plus is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review of the Galaxy S23 Plus. Let us know in the comments if you think Samsung should continue the Plus series of phones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about future tech reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.